Hello guys, welcome to the Talk Tech platform. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can speed up your phone's network so as to have a network as faster as 5G. Yes! So just stay tuned and watch every step that I'm going to show you so as to help you get your phone's internet speed as faster as that of 5G. So you pick up your phone and navigate to your phone setting. Okay, go to phone settings, and with the phone settings you go to network and internet. This option, network and internet, depend on the phone that you are having. Maybe yours will be network. Okay, then you come to mobile network as this one, mobile network. You select mobile network, and after clicking on the mobile network, you can see here it says MTN. Okay, I have two MTNs here. So this works for all network, whether you are using MTN GH, Airteltigo, or Vodafone, or any other network that you are using. It works for all. This strategy works for all. So from here, then you go to access point name. Access point name, this one, you go to access point name, and here it says, you can see I have the MTN, this access point name there. Then I select that. Then you go down to see where there is a server. Here you click on the server, then you select or enter, then you enter www.google.com. You enter google.com. okay, this is the server, the name of the server. Then you press okay. Then from there you can see the server is www.google.com. then you scroll down, you can see we have the multimedia message service center here. We have the MMS proxy, we have the mobile country code, we have the mobile network code, and the rest. So here then you can see we have the APN type. With the APN type, yours should be default and SUPL. Okay, that's the default APN type you should have. Okay, then from here you go to the bearer. Here's where we are going to change everything. You can see we have this option, the bearer. You select or click the bearer. When you click the bearer, you can see it is only the unspecified that is being radioed. Okay, that is being ticked or marked. Then you deselect the unspecified. Then you select LTE, that is the long-term evolution, and at the same time select the HSPAP, that is the high speed packet access point. Okay, so you select these two, and when you select these two, then you press okay. When you press okay, then you save your access point name. Okay, it says are you sure you want to save this? Then you press okay. That is how it goes. Okay, so you can use it to access the internet to see if it runs as faster as it is. Let me just use it to go to WhatsApp to check if it is going to be okay. As you can see now I'm getting messages, getting status within some few seconds. Okay, within some few seconds. And let me see how my chat also goes, if my testing also goes as faster as it is. Okay, see if my testing also goes as faster as it is. You can see it takes as faster as it is. Okay, so this is how you can speed up your phone's network so as to have internet speed connection as faster as that of 5G. Thank you for watching. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Like this video, and also do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to benefit from it.